Normally, I take an American dish and put an Indian twist on it. Today, we're gonna do just the opposite. I'm gonna make a popular Indian dish more American. Pakoras are a deep-fried vegetable fritter found all over India. They're a humble but delicious snack. I'm gonna elevate it by replacing those vegetables with crab, serving it with a unique sauce, and turning those lowly fritters into a show-stopping appetizer. I call it crab cake pakora, and you'd be hard-pressed to find this anywhere in India. Let's get started on our pakora mix. We have besan, which is a garbanzo bean flour, methi, garam masala, kosher salt, Madras-style curry powder, red pepper flake, because you always need a little heat with Indian food, whole cumin seed, and coriander. We're gonna mix all that up and set it aside for our next step. The star of the recipe, crab. To that, we're gonna add mayo, scallion just the tops, ginger root and garlic puree, lemon juice, crushed garbanzo beans, some of our pakora mix, and a small dice of sweet red bell pepper. We're gonna mix all this up, cover and refrigerate for an hour. All right, let's make our crab cakes. Using a cookie scoop ensures that they're all the same size. Don't roll them, press them into a ball, and then roll them in our pakora mix. Drop into the deep fryer and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until they're golden brown. These look perfect. Crispy on the outside, moistened and delicious on the inside. Wow your guest at your next dinner party. Wow.